Hey YouTube, Blind Adam 23 here. This time I'm bringing you a Minecraft video on my server. Anyways, this video is a second attempt. The first footage I had was actually showed this area that I'm standing in, right, or floating in, I should say. It actually showed this area all natural before we started working here and all that stuff, and I wanted you guys to see that, but the footage got corrupted, and I was trying to edit it yesterday, and it wasn't fixable, guys. I apologize. So I'm just trying to jump in here and show you guys a little bit of what we're doing and tell you guys what my ideals and goals are for the server. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump on into it here. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment and all that good stuff below, you know. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Anyways, there's three of us that work on the server: Jacob, Tony, and I. We all do work on here. Anyways, and my goal for this is to one day put this world up for download for people to play on. And the reason I want people to be able to play on it is because I want to build a bunch of small mini games with using command blocks features in the mini games. I think I'll be able to do it. So we're gonna see. But one of my other friends, he's got a lot of ideals for different types of the small versions of small versions of mini games to be able to play, to be able to place in the map and people be able to play through and all that good stuff. And I thought it'd be cool if I every so often did a little video like this and just kind of give an update on what's going on and the work that's being done on the server. Let you guys see the changes as the changes are kind of taking place. I kind of wanted to show it from the beginning, like I was saying there at the beginning of this video. I was wanting to show what this area actually looked like here before we started building here. I didn't want to just use I didn't want to use MC Edit or something to do my map. I wanted to get in hands-on. I am using World Edit for a lot of stuff, but I want to be hands-on. I don't want to be on the computer doing. I mean, although I'm playing the game on the computer, but I want to be in the game playing it, not on a program on the computer playing it. Although that kind of is what the game is. I know. Anyways, I digress. Let me get back to it. So this area here is something that the three of us are working on. I've been helping by using the World Edit and filling, like this area here. I filled it all in inside the wall and made it all level. Blah blah blah. I built the tower, the main structure of the tower with World Edit, and yeah, we used World Edit for some copying, pasting, like on the village towers here. Tony's the one that built these. He says he watched a tutorial, but he did some modifications to it. If I remember correctly, yeah. See this right here? He put this bridge in. Evidently, this bridge wasn't part of the tutorial that he was watching. He's not. I don't think he's on. I tried to send him a message to maybe get in here to do the video with me. He wasn't available at the moment, so I'm just trying to go at this solo, guys. And I can't remember exactly. I don't think he said what tutorial he got it from, but anyways, it is awesome. He did build it by hand, but we copied after he built one. I copied him and pasted him around. I actually put it on a brush with World Edit and started pasting them in the sky and everything. It was kind of funny. But anyways, if you guys notice the flags here, all of our flags are all flying the same direction. The wind blows one direction on my server. So you know, I just thought you guys might want to know that this world, the wind actually blows the same direction. This little hut right here, that's nothing. That's just a temporary thing here. I put glowstone over the top of it because I know Jacob hates it. So this here is temporary, and I'm going to show you more about that in a minute. But that's just sitting here temporary because needed it to be outside so I could see what it was doing. There's some command blocks in there, blah blah blah. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yeah, Tony basically is the one that came up with the ideal of the type of center thing. See, we were going to do it over there where that glowstone tower is. That's where we were going to do it. And then I found this area here. We made it all into an island. If you look, when you guys, if this goes up for download, or one day I'd like to actually put a video of one of my update videos I want to start doing with shaders and all that stuff. So whenever I do that and I finish the landscaping outside, fat finger, sorry. When I finish the landscaping outside the tower here, because you guys will see, this one here is, this is the original one that he built. So everything, all the landscaping out here is good. But where I pasted it, let me go over here a little faster. Where it pasted in here, I think this one here, there was a mountain behind it. Oh no, but there's just, see how it goes off into the river here? And it goes off to the, so I'm gonna move the river over and fix this up here a little bit, fix the ground up here. I'm just gonna make it look more natural. So when I get done doing that, I'll show you guys more of the terrain outside and everything. But this is just basically to show you guys kind of what what we've done so far, and then what our ideals are. Anyway, so inside the tower here, I can give you guys a little bit of a brief look in here. This is going to be like the lobby area. Obviously, nothing's really been done in here. We put a little bit of glowstone lighting in here just to set the mood a bit, so it's not completely dark in here. You guys can see there is multiple levels up there. I'm not going to go up there because there's absolutely nothing up there. It's just floors that look just like this, except for those floors only have holes that size instead of holes this size. Okay, I don't want to show you guys more than, oh, well, okay, I guess I'm going to show you guys all of it. Look, this is going to be the blacksmith area. So, yeah, Xtones did this. The lighting in here really sucks badly. I'm going to have to fix that for sure. Anyways, man, okay, come on. I know, okay, listen. I know my eyes can't see, but my fingers know where the freaking W key is. Why do you keep hitting E? Anyways, so yeah, that's that. Inside here is going to be, there's going to be, on the very top floor, there's going to be teleporting pads to go to all the different mini games, and then, some of the bigger mini games, and then, there's going to be a level for each one of us on here that's the building, doing the building, and you'll be able to teleport to each of our individual areas that we did our own individual builds at, and you'll be able to, our individual projects, I should say, because my projects aren't really builds, they're more like projects, not builds. But anyways, so yeah, and you guys will see in the next video, which was actually recorded prior to this video, which I'm sorry. But anyways, yeah, you guys will see that we've been doing already our own projects on here along with this group project. And there's only been a little bit. We only spent a day or two. I think Tony and I pretty much put 2 days in on this one with Jacob also building the tower area here. But so anyways, hopefully you guys will enjoy. It's going to look better than this. Obviously, this is just blank. We haven't really done anything with the tower yet, but okay. So let me show you guys what this is. I know I showed you guys at the beginning. Okay, you see the sign there? It says close gates, right? So what do you mean close gates? Well, let's just push that button. Come on, push the button. You guys see that? You see that, huh? You see all those gates? That gate there's closed now. That gate, this gate over here is closed now. Look, nobody can get in. Oh, well, there's 3 of the 4 gates. Oh man, all 4 gates are closed. Well, isn't that sweet? There's a freaking fat finger thing again. Okay, so well, now we want to let people in. We just hit the button, and it does. I'm not gonna fly around and show you guys all the other ones. It opens them all up. They're all open. See, and then that one over there is open too. So, and the one on the other side tower, I promise it's open. But anyways, it's just command blocks. I'm gonna move these. This is just 2 simple command blocks that are inside this. I'm just going to move this to wherever. It's going to be inside the tower there somewhere where we're going to be able to open and close the gates. I'm actually thinking about, let me see. I think you guys can see whenever I actually press yeah. See how they just go in and, here, let me get, if I do it like that. See how they just go in and they just disappear? They just appear and disappear? Well, I want to actually put some animation into that, which the guy that I've been learning all the stuff that I'm learning about command blocks from, Bongo is his name. I'll put a link to his description down. To his channel down in the description if I can get my mouth to work. I don't do YouTube or nothing. Yeah, I shouldn't know how to speak correctly, right? Anyways, so I'll put a link in the description to his channel down there. But he's got some stuff on there. I'm going to actually try to put some animation in it so the gates look like they're opening and closing. I think I'll be able to do that with watching. I know one of his tutorials, he's got a garage door that opens and closes, and I think I'm going to be able to take some of... I'm going to incorporate the two together and just make it work on the buttons. So, anyways, yeah, so as I keep rambling on, this area here, the village area here, sorry, this grass area here is not going to be just grass. It's going to be a dense village. There's going to be small roads. Roads are going to be like 1 or 2 blocks wide. There's going to be a lot of huts and houses built in here. And the thing of it is some of them are going to be apparently going to be built on top of each other. Some of the we might have some mini games that we actually create ourselves, that I create specifically, or that one of us, the builders, actually come up with the idea and do all the building and everything like that on it. And so if we do something like that, those mini game teleporting things to be able to teleport to those mini games will be out here in the houses and stuff. And yeah, I think that pretty much covers it all. Hopefully in the next video you guys will see a lot of building going on inside here. Well, not hopefully. In the next video you guys will be seeing a lot of building going on inside here. I'll be able to take you guys outside of the village here, show you guys all the landscaping around outside of the village, how I fixed it all after doing all the work and made it look natural. And yeah, I think, and we'll be working on the tower, the outside and the inside, so I'll be able to show you guys more on that too. And yeah, make sure you guys check out the next video. The next video, Tony and I did that one together. It's just going over some of our personal builds that we've been doing on the server. So yeah, and I don't know why that stupid save thing keeps coming up. I keep turning it off. I swear, man, I tell you what, I'm just saying, it's frustrating sometimes. You set settings and settings don't set, or something, or whatever, that shouldn't be showing up on my screen. I'm sorry, you guys had to see that. I know it's probably not a big deal to you guys, but it is to me and my OCDs. Anyways, hey, you guys make sure you smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment below on some of the stuff you guys want to see in the next video, or what you guys want to see. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.